Am I audible? Okay, this poem is not written by me, or it's written by me, but most of the ideas are crowdsourced. Most of the people provided ideas and they gave me and I just penned down. Yes, ideas and thoughts are mine. Okay, so this is about the strange incidents happens when we see some different types of food for the first time. So accidentally biting chili increased tongue temperature to record high. Coincidentally creating excess absorbed capacity of water in the stomach. Mistake made during eating cannot be described, but first time interaction with food can also be genuine. So this is from my mother. A different type of food. Declared as the killer of hunger in just 2 minutes. Declared as the killer of hunger in just 2 minutes. Snake style spiral noodles. Snake style spiral noodles raised several doubts. And my mother considered it one of the non-vegetarian items, kept them always away from our sight. And this is in my local dialect, Paroti. So 20 years ago, in one of the weddings of my grandparents' village, someone introduced coffee. Coffee in a village where people are used to drinking tea, so the reaction of villagers. क्या कसी विदेशी चाय छे बिना शक्कर के काई स्वाद ना आवे छे जाओगे सही परलोक अपमान के कारण वो ब्राह्मण जो जाओगे सही परलोक में अपमान के कारण शादी में बुलाओ वाला कंजूस मक्कार छे they put coffee foreign drink 20 years ago but people used to love so this is in Hadoti dialect. And when we someone first went to go hotel, food, there's some different kind of 4-course meal, 7-course meal as well. No idea. Starter के नाम पर पिलाते हैं टमाटर का झोल. Starter के नाम पर पिलाते हैं टमाटर का झोल, जैसे कि हम छोटे बच्चे जिन्हें जरूरत है चावल के पानी to prevent dehydration. खाने के लिए भले ही हो डिश 1000, पर 4 कोर्स मील पर जेब कटने पर क्या हम डालेंगे अचार? तो मेनू पानी वाली चाय बनी डिप्टी. गोभी की हो गई शादी और बन गई गोभी मंचूरियन 65. कढ़ाई पनीर आता है अब बाल्टी में. रेगिस्तान की हो गई एंट्री खाने की टेबल पर. डेजर्ट इन हिंदी इसको रेगिस्तान. So-called finger bowl with lemon inside. I drank it considering a healthy drink without respite. People are becoming so lazy in washing their hands. Giving 20 rupees extra tip just to do it at a table with 15% tax extra at the end. Eating first time with knife and fork. Needed to put both my hands to the fight. Eating first time with knife and fork. Needed to put both the hands at 5. Could not comprehend the eating style. Finally ate everything with hand like a desi puri bhaji style. And those days, some people being to big cities, they saw fast food. Fast food was the first time. Pizza Hut was a good place to hide. In a chilling heat, AC brought some respite. A tough chapati. Pizza, a tough chapati with some tomato, without ghee on the top. Extra cheese make it only beswad. Burger at McDonald's looked like another pav bhaji. Just that it was only inserted a small pakoda between the bread. If they are only selling pav bhaji, then why are they charging so much for the selfie with Maggi? Subway can't be spared. Subway बना उपवास खोलने की जगह. As you know, Subway you can tell the person what you want to eat, which kind of bread. So it's a huge problem. People want to open the fast, less salt and all. So सबवे बना फास्ट खोलने की जगह, जो बिना नमक, जो बिना ज़्यादा कम ज़्यादा तेल की जो है खाना वो खाए. पर इसमें भी बहुत जने हुए कंफ्यूज. मशरूम के साइज की वजह से शाकाहारी एवं मांसाहारी के बीच हुए कईयों के बल्ब फ्यूज. People couldn't realize it's vegetarian, non-vegetarian, what. So it's last. I didn't write the German experience. It's gonna be weird. खाने के साथ बिताए गए अनुभव होते हैं मजेदार. कभी नमक कम तो कभी जली हुई खीर, कभी बेस्वाद करेला तो कोई कड़वी पालक, पर सबके सब हजम होते हैं पेट में सही सलामत. Thank you.